say hi to her. Hi. Do you have a cigarette?
Oh, this ugly bitch! Oh my god, I gotta get away from here! I'm sick! I'm sick in the fucking red sweater! Ugly bitch! Come here, come with me! Talk to my friend that ever again!
I love it! Stop pretending like you're gonna do something!
Like you're tough! Cause you ain't tough! Did everyone know?
Only ugly people wear red sweaters.
In the fucking middle of summer!
Rompe.
Should throw water at her. Dare me.
You won't.
Hold on, let me get a sip first.
You wouldn't.
No, don't do it because you might clean her up.
On my calendar.
20 seconds. 20 seconds.
On my calendar.
Hold this. That's so fortunate. Just film her.
It's on my calendar.
Film her.
It's on the boxes wall.
No, just point it. You don't have to push it. All you do is point it.
I can't.
I am.
Sorry.
Freeway next to you.
Are you